Take a ride in the 2021 Niro plug-in hybrid. The Kia Niro plug-in hybrid provides unlimited functionality. It offers plenty of space, lots of technology, and the efficiency that you're shooting for in this hybrid crossover. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.